Hi guys, welcome back. This is me again, and this is my first Roblox video. I'm sure you know what Roblox is, so I'm not going to bother explaining it if you don't. Alright, let's get started. So first of all, I haven't told you what we're doing. What am I doing? So, I need to work on my vocab when I'm speaking to you. Alright. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get out of prison. Hey, so can you let me in, please? Can you let me in, please? No. Okay. Hey, somebody camping out here. You want to arrest me, don't you? Well, bye-bye. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to the easiest route. I would say the sewers because it's the easiest route, but I can't be bothered to use it. So I'm just gonna explode the wall. I don't know. Anyways, we're going to be slowly. I have already done something, but I just decided to do this without even speaking about it, or like I even knew anything about Roblox or Jailbreak, because that's what we're doing, Jailbreak. Go check it out if you don't already check it out. Yep. So we're just gonna come on in here, spawn vault. So we're grinding for the military helicopter anyways, okay? So what we're gonna do is just head on over to, with my glitchy as hell vault bike. We're just gonna head on over to the I don't want the vault bike. Oh, what on earth just happened there? I am sorry about that. We're gonna come in here, grab a military. Move. We're gonna grab some weaponry. Am I gonna have the shotgun? Cause I'll just go get the boss pass weapon. I'm gonna spawn in a different car for this. Oh wow! Look, my rocket fuel is completely full. Wee. So I shouldn't be doing that. Oh, what? I'm just gonna run in. Ow! I face planted in the dirt, and I've broke my ankles. And my man holding a knife, bacon hair boy, holding a knife, is also angry because now he's got a button for an eye. Because he face planted too. I've already got that bandana because that's just, my avatar. Alright, here we are. This is the boss past me. I'm gonna just. Okay. Can I just spawn in like the Lambo or something? Where is it? Lambo. There it is. The stupid, how fast it scrolls on here. I tap the screen, or whatever, and then it flies across all the options. There. That's all. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Why is it red? Right. Let's rob the donut store to get started. Yeah, shut up, don't bully me, I don't have the, what's it called? I don't have, did they just rob that? I feel like they did. I bet I'm wasting my time. I bet I'll give a random guy 1,000 cash. I'm wasting my time. Just kidding, I probably won't do that. Yeah, I'll waste my time. Welcome to the Great Depression. Anyways. Backing up. It tastes like a donut, right? Let's do the place the key card. The power plant. I always get 2 cash. Because I'm a bot at the power plant. I straight up don't know how to do it. What I do is just I can't be bothered to try. If you know what I mean. Probably don't because I'm weird and crazy at the same time, but anyways. It's not open without a card, there's no point. Please be open and not being robbed. Please be open and not. It's being robbed! Just my luck. very second. Mobile aim be like. It's trash, but I screwed up. I'm gonna get arrested. No, he has tap arrest. I mean, I'm on mobile, but shut up. He has tap arrest, okay? Clockwork. Nice. Nice. What? What the hell? Where am I? Oh. Oh, wow, myself. Huh? Oh. Screw it. Don't play. It's copyright, I think. I don't want to get... This is a trash video now. I've been arrested once, so now it's a bad video. You know what? This video is gonna be give random guy money. Yeah, it's find a random guy. Somebody here. Somebody over there. Bop. Hey! Hey! Up, hey! You're incarnation. What? Oh, it's you. Seriously? You're gonna get yourself killed. Hey! Hey! Oh my god, this is... Okay. Alright, change your plan. Hey! Want money? Some money? Yes, you do. Okay, here you go. Yes. Okay. Take. This is it. This is the video. 1, 2, 3. Boom. That's 10k. Wait, whoops. There you go. That's 10k. You get it? Did he get it? I don't really. I don't care. I don't care if you got it. I'll just drum roll. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna end the video here because I just dropped $10,000 on the floor and got arrested and made a crappy commentary of it the whole time. So anyways, my ugly face and my button-eyed friend who doesn't have a button for an eye is gonna go and eat a croissant. Alright, bye.